This right here. This is what I've been saying. This is what I wanted. Somebody who admitted that they occasionally would believe her. But because of what I did, they now see the truth. This is all I wanted to do. I wanted people to stop. If her money train stops, the craziness stops. Because what's she going to do when she has no more money? Maybe at that point, she will take herself to a rehab. Because what other choice does she have? So for all the negativity that I had got about clout, no. I'm the biggest hearted person. Ask anybody that knows me. This. I did my job. I did what I wanted to do. And I hope there's more people that are now going to see it for what it is. I feel like I need to make a video because this was not what I expected, not what I planned, none of that. When it came down to what happened tonight with Lisa, it was a breaking point for me. It was a breaking point of watching people enable her. It was a breaking point of people laughing. It was a breaking point of she's a human. It was a breaking point of she needs help. But when I can't even enjoy my own yard because I can hear her yelling, please, and Cash App and whatever and whatnot, you can only take so much before you snap. So, for the certain somebody who's saying I did it for clout, I did not do it for clout. For the certain somebody who's also saying I'm not family, I guess you fail to forget who I was engaged to. I guess you fail to forget who raised my daughter as his own. Your opinion don't matter. But besides that, I did this with good intention. I did this with the hope that people would stop. Stop. You're enabling her. You are literally unaliving her by enabling her. So maybe, just maybe by the grace of God, people will realize that it really is all a scam. So for the ones out here who think that she's really homeless and lost and needs help, she's not. She's safe. So don't think that she's not. But stop. Stop enabling her and pray that this woman gets the help that she needs. She could have the greatest comeback story ever if she would just accept that she needs the help. That's all I really got to say on that. Because, like I said, I wasn't expecting this. This was not, like, I'm actually overwhelmed in my anxieties, like, because I have so many messages and comments, and little old me over here just wants to go hide in my bubble again. So